Jesus fucking Christ. Somebody's going to fucking jail tonight, I tell you what. Now, when I say, shut the fuck up, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna fucking do? Not yet. Not yet. Not until I say, jump the fuck up. Not until I say, jump the fuck up. Is that clear, you crazy motherfucker?